In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code Google Drive folders and shortcuts. If you're like many users, your Google Drive might be a sprawling metropolis of documents, folders, and shortcuts, all vying for your attention. Color coding can be an incredibly effective way to keep everything organized and easy to navigate, particularly when your folder names alone don't quite jump off the screen. Let's start with the basics. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google Drive. You can do this easily by typing in drive.google.com into your browser's address bar. Now that you're on the main page of your Google Drive, take a moment to look around. Your folders and files are likely sorted according to your preferences, and this is where we will come in with a splash of color. Locate the folder you wish to color code. It can be any folder in your drive, whether it's for personal use, work, or a shared project. Once you've found it, simply right-click on the folder. This action will bring up a small context menu with various options. Among these options, you'll find the Change Color feature. Click on Change Color, and you'll be presented with a variety of colors to choose from. There are approximately 24 color options available, ranging from vibrant reds and greens to more subdued pastels and neutrals. This diverse palette allows for flexibility, whether you're looking to assign colors based on priority, category, or simply personal preference. Take a moment to consider which color makes the most sense for you or provides you the quickest visual cue in your Drive environment. Once you've clicked on your chosen color, you'll notice that the folder icon's color changes immediately in your view. This instant transformation can help create a much more visually ordered drive, making it quicker to identify and transition between your different folders. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, your Google Drive is not only more aesthetically pleasing, but also more functional and manageable. Remember, you can always change the colors again if your organizational needs shift. Experimenting with different hues could reveal even clearer ways to streamline your workflows. In summary, the ability to color code your folders in Google Drive is a simple yet powerful tool. Whether for personal use or collaboration, adding a touch of color can significantly enhance your productivity. I hope you found this guide helpful and that your Google Drive becomes a bit brighter and more organized as a result.